Hello class, great news. We're halfway done and I'm completed grading everything. You can check the boards, all the discussion boards, learning logs, all of your chapter summaries, and all of the annotated bibliographies are graded. Everything's up to date, so way to go. They've been done for a few hours, but I had to play dad for a little while. So first of all, on the chapter worksheets, significance. I want to make sure everyone's clear that statistical significance means something has a certain P or F value, and those are mathematical concepts that are agreed upon by researchers, and you don't get to pick what they are. It means that you can, if you have a number that reaches that threshold, then you can disprove the null hypothesis. It's the only thing you can really do in statistics. That means that two populations are not similar, but making a leap to saying that they're related takes additional methods other than statistics. So statistics will not say whether things are caused by each other. You need a true experiment to do that, and that's typically not something that quantitative research that uses surveys sets out to do. A lot of times it's more descriptive, and the researchers use it to inform based on other studies. Remember how I told you these things layered? Once you find out two things are not the same, then you kind of assume, well, the finding could be that they're related somehow. But then qualitative research comes into play, and other types of quantitative, and the studies build on each other to work towards some type of theory. Then somewhere, somehow, someone's going to take all the findings from all the studies and say, hey, I think we're on to something here. This is the theory. Another thing from the chapter worksheet, lit reviews. You're about to write a lit review. Everyone did great on the annotated bibliography. There were some issues with APA that I pointed out. I told you I'd be picky, but I didn't take many points. I think everybody still made an A on the assignment, but I did take points here or there if they were not what I was looking for. Make sure you check out Purdue OWL or the citation machine or something for APA to get your citations correct. And the APA manual is recommended text. If you're really having trouble with this, might be something good to buy. You can get it cheaply on Amazon. So the lit review is going to be a synthesis of those four papers and any others you want to work in. When you start writing your lit review, be sure that when you introduce the study, you talk about the methodology used by the study. You talk about the population size. So for example, if I was going to cite myself in a lit review, I would say Fisher 2013 studied 2 collaborative teams using case study methodology. That's important to say before I talk about the findings, because you want to set the stage. So be sure you do that. Second, do not write the author's names. Do not say Ken Fisher wrote in and give the title. We don't need that. All you need is Fisher 2013. If you have a group of authors, more than 2, then you can use et al. Et al is one word. There's one period behind the et and the al. But you have to say Smith, Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe for the first time, 2016. Then you can say Smith et al. 2016 there on out. Guys, don't quote a lot. I'm not a big fan of quotes. I like paraphrasing, but et al. Is one word. So I think that's everything that I wanted to tell you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and I will see you on the boards. Thank you.